Hey guys, Tom J here. Today I want to have just a bit of coding session. I have here this e-commerce design that is a redesign of current website, and I want to today finish a homepage of this website. So let's give it an hour and a half, and let's see what we can finish. I hope the entire homepage will be finished and done at the end of this video, so I can tomorrow move to other parts of the website. Okay, let's get to it. So, as you can see, here is in the left is the prepared design. This design has only different font. This was a previous font. Graphic designer just didn't change it for final form, but every info like font size, line heights, paddings, everything is the same. So instead of this shown slab, we are using Railway, which we agreed later with my client. And current state is this design is, I would say, more than a halfway finished. On the right side, you can see here is a bad photo. Sure, those lines are here. Okay, products. Tag isn't style, but it isn't also designed. So bit of an improvisation. This part of the website, it's just simple about part. This looks really awesome. I didn't expect it would be so great in the final website. Here are references. Okay, and what remains is block section, and this, I don't know, social grid, social contacts, you would say, and last is this footer. Okay, so because this social grid is partially styled, let's just finish it and be done with it. Then get back to the block part in the top of this, and finish it with food. After this, I want to get back to this header because it wasn't it wasn't planned initially, but I think it should scroll down with the page. But it can't stay in this state. The logo must become so much smaller. Font has to be smaller, and I'm not sure if it's a good idea to have just the text like this are they are not smooth. It's awful. So let's have this as the last thing to do, but I hope I'll get to it within an hour and a half and finish it. Okay, so this part. This I showed on a previous video, and it's simple grid. But as I see it, this whole section is actually a grid. You see, this could be one column, second column, and third column. And inside of those will be this could be just a flex, so it could be in the center vertical center. This image is a background image. I think, no, I don't have it in the project yet. And okay, just logo here, Hangout. Okay. So this, yes, HP Social. That's the class. Yes. So put a logo inside. I use PNG. Too much. I use PNG because there are some issues with this specific logo. If I converted it to SVG, a web browser can display it correctly. It's I don't know why. It's just some color blend and just terrible. I don't know why. So okay, logo is here. Fine. Okay, and here I'm not sure if I have imported those icons. I don't think so. So we'll just prepare HTML for it. No. How much? 5 of them there. Facebook. Own. Okay, so HTML is done. You can see I use extremely specific class names, and that's because I think CSS looks so much cleaner if there are minimum cascades. I know it's in the name of the CSS, but I have no I have no proof right now, but I'm pretty sure less cascades means faster rendering. So just let's put it in there. I'm starting from the end, of course I do, but doesn't matter. So display flags, center it vertically, and give it a font specifics. And I don't have to because those are all default settings. You see, font weight 300, font size 24 pixels, and line height doesn't matter because it's single line and always will be single line. Okay, icon. Yeah, sure. Let's go with it. I'm usually fighting with myself if I should just put an icon in here and give it a margin, sorry, or I should set very specific width within which the icon would be displayed on 100% of this container's size. But right here, I think those icons are centered within each other. Oh, so there are be both. The widest icon is this email, and 45 and 3, okay, 50 pixels, and 64, but there is a I hate those. I think it's actually how much? 58. Let's say 58. Oh, maybe I should make it a bit bigger. Yeah. So you can see anything. Okay. Okay. Now. Now the logo. HP Socials logo. Sure. HP Socials logo. No, I don't need that. No, let's make it this way. How much can this be? 47. Can you tell me something? Okay, this would be a guesswork. So this is 47 and this is 9. Is that right? Nah, no. I seem to be very bad at mathematics. 37? 37 or 38? I give it. My goal is to set everything in this line, as you can see, the orange or red line, and the logo then move relatively up against this border. Okay, now maybe is the good time for setting up this global grid. So this is 75. Oh, maybe set up grid first. So 75 pixels. Let's make it 75, 80, 84. And the logo set inside of this 84 box from the left. Okay, this is slightly better, please. Oh, 529. Although I should be more relative. So let's try this. While oh, let's see. Maybe this image. I have something very wrong here. Huh. Really? What? Here is great. This is great settings, but container has to be display great. It is display great. This is not a great container. It is something. Do I have something wrong? Display why is it display block here? Yeah, of course it's cache. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. We are getting somewhere. Now. So padding from the side is 118. No, this is not this. 118. Starting to look as it should. Oh, and the logo must be, of course, minus 37. Much better. But still, you know what? I'll set this. Okay. I'll set this to the specific size. This will be one fragment, and okay, this is one fragment, and let's put the content on the center. This I didn't actually wanted to do this, or maybe I did for some reason. No idea. So display flags. I had to do it anyway. Center, justify, center now should be driven by exactly size of the content. Perfect. 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 I like this. Okay. But this, yeah. In this case, it's very specific. So there is some space between. Oh, okay, nice. Nice. Okay, you know what? I'll use this div. Plug the reaction column and justify I space evenly, which should give me, and it didn't give me. Why not? Space evenly. Oh, sure. Yeah. Okay. And I'm not very sure. Yeah. I think I know. Line stretch. Yeah, that's it. Huh. I thought stretch. Did I write something wrong before? Oh, without T. Okay. Still, seems to me I don't need it anymore. Perfect. Okay. And now those icons. Oh, icons can be often so tedious. And I'm not even sure if I have those in here. No, I don't. Great. If you are wondering, this syntax is our own created template system. It's not. It's nothing like Latte templates or any programmable templates. It's created so front-end coders could work with it very simply, quickly, without any programming, PHP, ASP.NET, any kind of logical knowledge. Even JavaScript programmers don't do HTML, CSS coding that often, and there are I don't know why many companies force front-end developers be HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I don't know what else coders, while those are totally different languages. HTML is structural language. It's completely different. There is no logic, no processing, nothing like JavaScript. Because it's just because it's both front end doesn't mean it should be done by a single person. If you can manage it, you like both, like me, I'm enjoying any programming language, and you'll see it in the future. But I could never force my employees or freelancers I work with to do all those languages together, because they are totally different, and even a single brain is, I don't know, you know what I mean. So just know. Ah. No, Figma is great and all, but sometimes to just get a copy of an icon is it's extremely tedious. Too much. I don't know. Let's try this. Let's see. Huh. Okay. Come on. Well, Huh. That's new for me. Okay. Okay. So you can simply do the same with in a layer 3. It's so much simpler. Okay. Every day something new. I hope I'm spelling it right. Phone. And this could be interesting. No? Simple? Like that? I hope it's not JPEG inside. Or PNG. Payment card. Yep, it is. Ah, nope. Not like this. I'll have a little chat with my graphic. Images go to image folder order, right? Payment card icon PNG. Yeah, this can do it. Rivalin Explorer. Okay. I thought it'll give me PNG code. Why? Oh, okay. As you wish. Come here. Payment card icon. And use it in here. Why I'm doing this data image? It's because we have a JavaScript that JavaScript loading the images on what's this name? The observer intersection observer. When intersection observer is activated on element with data image, it loads the image inside the element in which it is. It's just lazy loading for obvious reasons. And if the image is any importance, we put it in sitemaps. This obviously isn't. It's just an icon. So payment card icon PNG. And if I'll do this, data image type BG, it loads as background CSS of this container. It's of course inline CSS. Now it's prepared to load as a tag image. Okay, let's see what we've got. Huh. Pretty nice. Closing there. Do I have? Yeah, I saw this. I don't remember why it makes this. See that this where is it? Where is it? This line or a padding under here. Was that like display inline block prevented? No. Or inline? No, nothing like this. Or shit. Huh. No, still no. I need it gone. Nah, no. That's something. I encountered this once in the past, and I don't remember where. I don't remember how I got rid of it. Okay, refresh it. No. Sorry. What was the magic? It probably negates this display CSS because it's inside the flex, and flex drives the box model of their children. Let's try this. Let's try this only on the envelope. And see. Still there, but now I can try the displays. No, why is that? Or, yeah. No. But, huh, I'll leave it there, and Instagram doing the same thing, right? Yeah. So let's try it with Instagram. Alleviate every white character, spaces, new lines, end of lines, everything possible. And now I have to delete cache because this assets file is cached only once. Okay. Nope. Very similar name. Cache is gone. So Instagram. Nope. Still there. Jeez. Really? That's it? Really? Okay. Why not? Does it do even this? No. No. I know. Maybe don't. Let's try one more thing. It's driven by flex, right? So it's possible the box is slightly more high than it should be for some reason because of flex. I don't think so, but I want to try. So flex the icons. Seriously? That was it? This no. Yeah, but here was the test. Okay. And yep. That's it. That's it. Okay. So now just center it horizontally. Yeah. Perfect. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, now this background. Oh, I learned my lesson. Export. HP socials background. HP socials background. Those background images are super big. This is fine. This is 273 kilobytes, but these backgrounds 622 and 924. It's too much for a just an illustration graphics. So later I'm going to I'll have to try to manage shrink them somehow. I don't know how. I'll try with this one, and for some reason once it got to 128 kilobytes, but I don't know. I think it was Windows just showing me partially saved image. I didn't get any lower than this so far. It's a future problem. So it seems like I should just put it to the right and to the bottom. Slightly behind right. Oh, behind right. Okay. So that means that. Nope. Like this. The container just do max size and center. So I'm going to change the grid to this container. Shouldn't change anything. Okay, nice. And this HP socials gets the I won't set the image here. I don't want to block network connections list or limit. So this image will load with all of these as soon as it's in the viewport. Or I think we have set it 200 pixels offset blue floor. Sorry, viewport. Blueford is my other client. Position, that's it. Right and bottom as I want it. And now data image. Oh yeah, I explained this data image part, and these are our kind of variables. I'm using word variables. Even I'd say I don't want front-end coders to feel like they program or do logic parts, but of course you have to put those information somehow. And I use here the variable for path to images. You see theme, path, and short for images. For just simpler writing. And why variable? It's because locations could change. You could for some reason change themes location as general. It happens to us already once because a hosting where we have few our clients just couldn't load anything from themes folder. I don't know why. Just some their policy security. I don't know. Every web hosting is different, and that's why. And now, what image was it I wanted to put there? So many images. Too many images. HP socials. HP socials. BG PNG. And because I want it as background. Let's call it first step. Okay. Yeah. Background repeat, no repeat. Fine. And this is funny. I don't have any idea if or how you could set any. No, I'm lying. I want to set offset of this image from the right, and I'm always end up setting it from. No, doesn't work. Okay, so I have to set this image offset from the left. If you know how to set the offset of the background image from the right, please let me know. So how much it could be? Would you say 60%? Maybe. Too low. Right? I wouldn't say. Really? Okay, then I think I don't understand just background positioning. A bit more? Oh. Okay, I think we're good. This seems it's weird. It seems like I'm setting right edge of the image from the left. Huh. I think I'll have to check that later. But I'm interested. What just happened? Okay. So logo, great, icons. These should be clickable. Okay. Oh, should I make them links? Those are flags, so they shouldn't change at all. Huh. Great. For now, empty hrefs. Nothing said. It's task for later. And they are there. Okay, perfect. Nice. And finally, now, do I want this line and this line on this section, or we don't have block anywhere else, right? I don't think so. Bestseller products and reviews, but nowhere. Okay, no other place of use, so let's just put those lines right on this HP socials. HP socials. Yeah, it has padding from top and bottom. Perfect. Now, solid and this color, and the same for bottom. Okay. Oh, nope. Almost okay. Almost okay. Now it's okay. Now it's also. Wait, what? Oh. Okay. Oh, and I'm not doing a mobile version now. Mobile version comes later after I make this website. We usually do mobile first because I don't remember website from the past 3 years that would be more visited on desktops. But right now I am doing the desktop because we have only desktop design. Client a bit cheaped out. Okay. And but still, after finishing this, I'll do the mobile version, and mobile version gets only non-desktop CSS. Those will be I will tear these files and tear these files and separate them. As you can see, here are prepared HP CSS and HP desktop CSS, which this goes this loads for mobile devices and desktops. This loads only simply for desktops. It's pointless to have this media query in a mobile version, because why? Mobiles are maximum width about, I think, 600 and something. I know there are tablets, excuse me, There are tablets, and those still are 1024 tops. If not, I am pretty sure they're sent. They send desktop user agents, so we load simply desktop user agent, desktop CSS. Okay, this is very nice. Let's check. Oh, you know what? I won't be doing bottom. This goes to the footer later. Oh, I think later comes just in a minute. Okay, and padding top 40 or margin top, more like margin top 40 pixels. Nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's go for footer. Footer. Let's close HP, open layout. Layout here. Oh yeah, I hate pixels. I mean, Facebook pixels. So, food. No socials. Yeah, here you can see just how much it's it's redesigned. Some old elements still here. Okay. And we are not using IDs anymore. We are not using IDs because we are currently working on a system, JavaScript system or framework, you could say, that will actually by itself do animations and animations while changing pages. Like you click on a menu here. This is shipping info page, and those all elements on this viewport should somehow go away and come those new, which are changing, of course, because food is not changing, so it stays. So those elements goes away somehow dynamically. I'm not sure how yet, because it's more in early versions, but yeah, the point is we can't use IDs, because then those elements could be and often would be multiple times on single page, which could be I can't imagine what could it do to current JavaScript settings what we use. Okay. Yeah, we don't use this signature anymore. This should be a current date, current year, I think it is, probably. Okay. And I can never remember how is the include code for our signature, my company signature. Here we are. Okay. Awesome. I love this. Just put something in the code, refresh, and it's there. Okay. Nothing in the edges, so put a container in a single div. Now let's style the food. and I'll install it in base. Where's my, okay, food. Let's start from top for once. Top. Come on. 3px, solid, color. Of course. Padding. Very important thing. Nope. 0 is from sites. This is 77 and this point is 975, but there is let's put it 30. Yeah, 13 is fine. 77, 0, 13, 0. Okay. And centrate. Okay. Now our menu. Nav. SQL. I know it's considered a almost antique use case to use ULLIs on a menu. We use nav. As you can see, we use nav. And inside we have ULs, LIs. It's still a list of pages. I think every menu should be like this if the web page is if its goal is a SEO, at least a bit. You actually won't lose much with this if you don't include LIs. There are websites I have used, and I think my colleague also used, just a nav and a link, but those were simply showcases. Graphic designer we collaborate sometimes with wanted us to make his website, and it's pointless to optimize for SEO if there is maybe one simple paragraph of text on the entire website. There is nothing. Actually, why not? Why not see it right now? This is garci.com. Yeah. That's probably the only text. Oh, sorry, I lied. Second paragraph. Huh. Still, it's not SEO website. Not at all. Do you like this website? See? Text. No. So this is just nav, a. That's it. And nav is actually important on every website because it's for accessibility. Accessibility for blind or otherwise disabled people. Readers read nav as I have seen more he heard a website reader. It's years ago, and it really made a difference for those people to understand this is navigation, this is list, this is image, this is button, this is form. So always include nav, don't have to bother with UL allies. Okay, but I'm crazy, I didn't want block, wanted flex. If we return, okay. So in navigations, I'm trying to make links as big as possible. So those links will have padding, and it from every side. So padding. A is padding. Wow. Did I create here? Okay. Display block and padding. Ooh. Want to guess what's padding from top and bottom? Nope. Let's say 7. Possibly 7. 37 and I wish there would be a gap color. I would be super happy if I could use this as gap in flex items and give it a color. I can't. So how to do it? How to do? Huh. Probably make it like this. Border right for allies. Solid and this color again. Okay. Oh, and of course, like the old times, last child, border right. Okay, I'm going to I will in a future try to find out if faster rendering is like this or if I do this. You know what, it's for now it's cleaner and working. That's always a good sign, but I think text is here or supposed to be smaller. Height 22 pixels, okay, and style normal. Ha, yeah. Now it looks more like a design, which I've got to code by. And of course, band rate. Margin bottom. Let's put it 60. Bottom 60 px. Okay. And those footnotes. Okay, guesswork again. 46 it says, so let's go with 40. And this this signature is so old, I never remember how to get to it. Actually, it's actually fine. Okay. SVG width is how much I said? 40? 40? Yep. But will this do the trick? Yeah. Okay. And I should Oh, lower foot. Beautiful. Lower foot. Display inline block. I know I'm jumping from one to other. I don't know. Even if I am inside of a standard coding and I see a few pixels off that really shouldn't be there, I just have to go and correct it. I think I would forget it in a second. Yeah, what was it? Font. Sure. Font size 18. But wait, stays. It says Poppins. There is so much fonts already. There is this. I know it's different language for you, but don't worry, it's still unreadable. But client wanted it. She says it's nice looking. And this font, this railway is already downloading so much that I don't want to put there another font, and I think it's going to look okay with railway as everything else. Yeah. No, that's it. Huh. Almost. Almost. Probably this because I have set link differently. Okay. And that's our footer. Nice. Oh, and hover effects, animations, everything will be here. Possibly within end of the week. Okay, gee. How long do I sit here? Oh, hour and 15 minutes. Almost. Where did I get stuck? Maybe with those icons. Maybe I talk too much. Okay, let's cut it off and finish it some other time. I think I will be doing video with it again. I think this is very nice website. I didn't expect it to be this nice. Look, this is here. This is current version of the website right now. It was nice 4 or 5 years ago. Then we added reviews, we added these configurators. Those are awesome. I hope she will someday make the website in English so you can try these. If you are into this stuff, custom bracelets or these sets of rocks. I don't know. For me, it's rocks. For my client and her customers, those are beautiful crystals. Of course. Hey, she didn't upload the correct. Okay. So it was nice. It just got too crowded, and it really needs redesign like this. It will be awesome. Seriously, I'm not into this stuff. I'm not a nature person, but this is going to be so great. Okay, let's see you later. Bye.